How do you make a song with AI? I've made a few now, but this is one of them. So what I do is you go to ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how I made the latest one. So you go to ChatGPT and ChatGPT. I had a bit of a problem on Sunday, and ChatGPT came up with "You stayed." So he said, "Do you want me to do all the words?" And I said, "Yes." Then I went to Suno, and all you do is put the lyrics in here. You ask ChatGPT for the prompt, and it will give you the prompt. Leave all that the same, and then you create it, and it comes up with this. And then if you're stuck for what to put on the video, then I've got VideoExpress AI. And what I did is you upload the WAV file. So you're going to Media Library, My Media, and then I made a new folder. This one's called You Stayed. And then, as you can see, you can drag and drop it. So that's how you upload it. Just press upload. Then this is blank. So if you go to video, stock video, then you can put sunset. I go for flowers, sunset. The only trouble with this is if you're doing a proper video or a short, you have to keep going like this. But there is Pixabay and Pexels that you can go to and plan it beforehand. So again, this is all drag and drop. You can drag and drop until you get to the end of the song. Then, if you want captions, automatic captions, it'll do it in this bit here, the vid subtitle I use. So you create import from Video Express, then you just follow the prompts. It's so easy, guys. That's the short version. So if you want to learn, if you want Suno or Video Express AI with the vid subtitle, when I bought it was free with Video Express AI. The links are below.